Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this cutest wallet step by step. I used a hook number 4 mm. Make a slip knot. And we'll make 13 stitches. We will make single crochet stitches until the end of the row. Make chain 1 and turn your work around and make single crochet stitches until the end of the row and repeat this row until the suitable height. We will make single crochet stitches on these 3 edges. We'll make 2 pieces. We will start making the sides. Make a slip knot. Make 4 stitches. You can make any number of stitches that you want. Make single crochet stitches. And make it until the suitable height. We'll make single crochet stitches on the edges. we'll attach 2 pieces together. Insert under 2 loops here and under 2 loops in the other piece, and continue until the end of 3 sides. Attach the other piece in the same way. And then, we'll make the tube. I'll just make it by this colour to show more clearly. Make a slip knot. I made 8 stitches on the other colour. Make a single crochet stitch in the first stitch. And insert here, between 2 loops, and make a single crochet stitch. We will make this step in the 8 stitches. And the second row we will insert under 2 loops like that and make a single crochet stitch. Repeat it until the suitable height. The height is 34 centimeters. We'll insert a yarn in this tube to make it more cohesive. And we'll attach the first and the end of this tube. I sewed the tube with the wallet, but the finish became not perfect on edges. So I cancelled this step and glue it. Now, we will make the cover of this wallet. I'm used double yarn in this cover. We will make single crochet stitches until the end of the row. Repeat it until the suitable height.